What's going on, Buck Builds? On the channel today, we are going to be doing a Suparee tail light install on my 23 Rubicon Gladiator. As you can see, it's got the stock halogens, and we are going to change that today with the Suparee flush mount tail lights. So stay tuned. So as you can see, we have the box here. We just got this shipped to us. I got these off of Amazon for like 100 and something bucks. That's the tail light right there. That's how it's gonna look. Installation. Here's the installation. Here's the tail lights. Suparee, as you can see. Everything there. It's the installation right here. Step by step. Contact us. That's how you do it. So as you see, this is what it comes with. It comes with 2 zip ties. These are for the resistors, as you'll see as I pull out the light. So pull out the light. Let me do this with 2 hands. I'll be right back. As you can see, I got it out of the box. Comes in 2 pieces. Obviously, there's a right and left hand side. Packaged well in this plastic here. So as you can see, I'll get this out. Foam. And here is that tail light. Put it right here. So you can see this at the back side. This is your connector that goes into your stock harness behind the light. And then it has this resistor built in, so you don't get any hyper flash. And this is what we'll be zip tying to. There's a piece where you can zip tie it so it's not flapping around in the backside. So yeah, and then it just mounts two bolts here and here. I'll go a little bit, here and here. Take those out, pop the light out, swap it. That's how easy it is. And the moment of truth, you're probably gonna wait and see. This is the tail light. So as you can see, there's the tail light. Nice flush mount. You can see how skinny this thing is compared to that boulder of a tail light. So let's get this in, and then I'll do it as I'm installing. Let's get this one out, and then we'll put this one in, and I'll show you guys that right now. As you guys can see, 8mm, and I'm just gonna unscrew this one and that one, and then pop this light out. You just pull it, and then you will disconnect the harness, and then we'll get everything mounted in. Stay tuned. So I have the 2 bolts undone right here. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull this, knock it back. See, this is dusty in here, and all we have to do is take apart that, and I will do that now. So I'm trying to scratch the paint, and then I'll show you where I'm gonna mount that the resistor in here. And then we'll get this plugged in, separate this, and then we'll mock up that other one. All right, so we now have that one in. Took a little finagling in the back, but we got it in. So there's that on the side. As you can see, this is the old one. And all you're gonna do on the back side is decompress this, push it down, and then push that in, and then it'll come out. And that's the only thing that you have to take out of the back. That's it. And then the new one goes in, put the bolts back in, and then you're good to go. So let's attack this side, and then we'll show you that together, lit up and everything. So here we have it. I just put the tailgate up, and these are those. As you can see, all installed. Very clean look. I mean, look how much it tucks into the back here. Love how it turned out. Literally, they'd be sticking out to here, and now they're tucked in. On that side, this side. Love how they turned out. Here's that full backside look. Love the way they look. They have it's like a subtle like smoke on that. So it looks in the pictures online, it looks a little bit brighter red, but with this, it looks a little bit more smoky. especially like not in direct sunlight. So as you can see, it looks great. I love the way they turned out. They go with my red and black theme, my black. For the moment of truth, let's unlock. That's them, as you can see. As you can see, that's the running light. That's the brake light, unlock light on that. They look a little bit more separated in the LED in the camera, but in person they look a little bit more streamlined. As you can see. Love the way these turned out. It looks really good from the back. It gives it a nice, really nice appearance from the back. That streamlined truck, more truck look rather than just the Jeep type look. There's that. And this is daytime, guys, and you can clearly see how bright they are. So, very easy install. Didn't take me long at all compared to the OEM ones I have still back here. Look how big these things are. Clunky halogen lights. Don't really do the truck. Don't flatter the truck too much. And again, these are the Suparee taillights for the Jeep Gladiator. I will put the link in the description to grab these. It will be a link to Amazon, so definitely take a look and get these on your Gladiator. I would definitely do it. They look awesome. Again, these are the Suparees, and I will give them a go. I'll update the video too, just to see how they hold up and if I like them moving forward. All right, thanks guys.